In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gantt chart database in Notion using templates. Start by opening your Notion workspace and looking to the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the workspace name with a small drop-down arrow next to it. Click that arrow to reveal additional options. From this menu, select Browse Templates. This opens Notion's template gallery, a curated collection of professionally designed systems made by Notion and the community, which is perfect for getting started fast. Inside the gallery, use the search bar and type Gantt chart database. You'll see a range of options appear. Take a moment to review the results. Look for features that match your needs, like color-coded timelines, task dependencies, or a clean, minimal layout. If you're not sure which to pick, choose the standard Gantt chart system as a reliable starting point. When you've found a good fit, click Add on your chosen template. Notion will automatically add the full Gantt chart structure to your workspace so you don't have to build it from scratch. Next, open the newly added Gantt chart from your left sidebar. This is your project hub, where you'll begin customizing and managing everything. Before adding tasks, personalize the template so ownership is clear. Add your details to the appropriate fields, such as an owner or team property. Include relevant team members if needed, but avoid posting sensitive personal information in shared spaces. Now start populating the database with your tasks or project items. Give each one a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to scan later. Then assign dates to each task. Use both start and end dates if the template supports them. As you add dates, you'll see tasks appear and stretch across the timeline, giving you a visual map of progress, overlaps, and potential bottlenecks. Review how tasks line up in the Gantt view. Look for overlaps that might cause delays or areas where resources are stretched. If something doesn't fit, adjust task dates or priorities to keep the project on track. Customize the chart to match your workflow. Change colors to indicate urgency or status, rearrange columns, add notes for context, and include extra properties like priority or assignee if helpful. Don't be afraid to experiment. Notion lets you tweak and undo changes without breaking the core template structure. Once you're happy with the setup, start using the Gantt chart to manage tasks, track progress, and stay ahead of deadlines. Keep refining the system as your project evolves and your team's needs become clearer. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Notion tips and tutorials.